आज हम आपको एक बहुत अनोखी रेसिपी बताने वाले हैं, हाउ टू गो टू योर होम टाउन। आई यूज़ ए सिंपल रेसिपी टू ट्रैवल टू दिल्ली फ्रॉम पुणे. First I will go from Pune to Vapi. I will roam around in Daman, then I will go from Daman to Delhi. My left side is Moti Daman and my right side is Naini Daman. See how peaceful this place is. अरे यहाँ तो पानी ही नहीं है. Walk around 1 kilometer to reach the water of the sea. That's a magical beach. Now I have reached Delhi, but I have to come back to Pune. Again, I face the same issue. Any guesses what I have done to go to Pune from Delhi? You're right. That place is Udaipur. उदयपुर एग्जैक्टली पुणे और दिल्ली के सेंटर में है and there are a lot of options to go to Udaipur from Delhi either by bus or by train. I easily got the train to go to Udaipur. Then I choose the bus to go to Pune from Udaipur. As you can see, there are a lot of options of the buses to travel to Pune from Udaipur. I started my journey from Nizamuddin station in Delhi and I'm traveling in this train to Udaipur. In the morning, I have reached the Udaipur city. Now I need a good place to bath in this city of lakes. So I have chosen Gangor Ghat, which is just 10 minutes from the station. मैंने यहाँ से ओला ऑटो बुक किया है गनगोर घाट जाने के लिए. ये है गनगोर घाट, मेरे नहाने की जगह. आई एम टेकिंग डाइव नाउ. Now it's time for some swimming class. That's enough of the swimming. Now I'm going to take a boat ride on Lake Pichola. There are a lot of points which we can see from our boat. And this is our boat. We have now started the lake ride in this city of lakes. That's the famous Udaipur City Palace. And that's the Taj Palace at the center of the Lake Pichola. लेक के सामने एक टेंपल है जिस पे जाने का रास्ता रोपवे से है. We are now going to the ropeway. हम उस सामने एक मंदिर पे जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम है मनसा पुनकर्णी टेम्पल. You see that ropeway? We are going there on the ropeway. Our cable car has arrived. We are going in this cable car on that ropeway. It's an awesome experience of watching hills from the top. You should try this if you come at Udaipur. The ticket is just 100 rupees both way. See the Lake Pichola. What a view. I am now at the top of the temple. See the full view of the Udaipur city. Wow. Now you know why it is called the city of lakes. Wow. I am now heading back from this temple as I have some more time left. So I will be visiting one more famous place, the city palace of Udaipur. ये पैलेस बहुत ही बड़ा है. See the bats there. ये पैलेस पूरा लेक पिछोला के किनारे बना है, जहाँ से लेक का बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल व्यू आता है. It's a good experience to walk aside the lake. Finally, the time has arrived to take my bus to go to Pune. In this whole round trip, I realize my home is neither near Delhi nor near Pune. It is actually the journey where my home resides.